Hola amigos, are you looking for an epic e-bike adventure? Well, buckle up, because I'm going to take you on a journey across stunning Mexico. Join me as I cruise through vibrant cities like La Paz, Mazatlan, Durango, and historic Zacatecas. We'll be conquering mountain roads, soaking up the sun on the coast, and experiencing the incredible culture of this amazing country. Get ready for breathtaking landscapes, delicious food, and maybe a few unexpected encounters along the way. So, hit the subscribe button and let's explore Mexico on two wheels. Just in time for a high school festival. It seems as though there's daily events happening in La Paz. And here are all the various organizations dedicated to public safety. One of my favorite foods in this area is the burrito de machaca, which is dried beef and fried with onions and peppers, and it is so good. But you can buy anything here, from fruits, vegetables, meat. They have so many things going on here. It's a fun place to be. I ended up spending 12 days in La Paz waiting for the first available ferry to take me over to Mazatlan. I'm just on my way to the ferry, and I decided, I'll check the air pressure just to make sure I've got enough. And the pump was a little hard to get off the stem, and I think the stem broke. I'm now flat. I've got lots of time, I think, to get to the terminal. On the ferry, this is the designated parking area for bicycles. I'm now just outside of Mazatlan and heading up into the hills on my way to Durango. So I've got still about 290 kilometers to go to Durango City, and the elevation climb is about, well, I'm starting at sea level, so around 2,600 meters. It might be a little bit more, or a little over 8,000 feet. As you can see, the terrain has changed immensely. The land is no longer dotted with cactuses all over the place, but it's like this sort of dense, impenetrable jungle. There's a few cactus, but the rest is like bush. And there's Norman, the friendly owner of this place. This turned out to be a really good find. He's got a couple of very friendly dogs and a nice place here. Kitchen. I'm gonna take you to where I'm staying. Oh, there's the bike. Here's all my stuff. In here. Nice bathroom and the bedroom. Wow, the views are absolutely incredible. I've climbed now about 4,000 feet, 1,300 meters, and wow, the views are stunning. This very nice guy Dennis stopped his motorbike and offered me an ice-cold Gatorade, which was exactly what I needed. I'm passing the Tropic of Cancer. How cool is that? Yay! Finally, some downhill! After a long, hard day, you just can't be too picky, especially when it's the only place in town, and for 400 pesos, I couldn't have been happier. The breakfast of champions. A gordita with rajas, which are peppers, chile, cheese, and refried beans, and a burrito de machaca, which is beef, dried beef. It's really delicious. And of course, coffee. Well, I'm entering the state of Durango. Yay, another state. The views from here are absolutely incredible. And I have arrived at the Devil's Spine. There it is. After struggling to climb 2,740 meters, or 9,000 feet, I finally reached the high plateau called the Altiplano. The skies are filled with puffy white clouds, and it's a little cool, the perfect conditions for an excellent ride, and the pine trees fill the air with their aroma. La Ciudad, my destination for today. Well, everything seems to be full in this town. I don't know why, but this place had occupancy, and well, let's go see why. And there's my room for my birthday. Today's my birthday, and it was 150 pesos. Wow. Well, it's not really much to look at, that's for sure. But anyway. It does have one really cool thing at the back for hot water. There's the shower area, and it's shared, but there's nobody else here, so I guess it's going to be mine. And there's where they heat the water in an old kind of wood stove with, I guess, a tank on top. And I've never seen that before, but that's how they do it here in the mountains. Very cool, eh? Eh? That's Canadian. Happy birthday to me. This is the strongest wind I have encountered so far. It is really, really gusting. I would say up to, at some points, up to 80 kilometers an hour. Made it to Durango, and we're right in the middle of a full eclipse of the sun. It's like nighttime, but it's only like 12:15. Well, I made it up the big hill from Mazatlan to Durango, city of Durango. Beautiful city there. Lots of attractions, old churches, parks, and it was quite nice. So this morning I'm headed to Zacatecas. It's so beautiful. Oh my goodness, I can't get over the beauty of Mexico. It's so beautiful. Well, I'm at the limit of my battery and I've got to change it, but I just wanted to show you guys. So today, so far I've done 82 kilometers on one charge. And the bike is fully loaded. I mean, I think that's amazing to have been able to go that far on just one charge. This Superhuman F5 is an amazing bike, and it makes my trip so enjoyable. Well, we're leaving Durango and entering into the state of Zacatecas. Yay! Another state. Oh, it's beautiful out here. Today I've got a bit of a climb. I think it's around 1,000 meters, but so that's not too bad. I've had many days that are heavier than this, so it's going to be okay. I've arrived at the beautiful city of Zacatecas, and it has a deep history, one rooted in silver and war with the United States, and the famous Pancho Villa. Not Pancho. Well, this is the main cathedral in Zacatecas, and wow, just look at that stonework. Absolutely incredible, the details. Thanks for watching. For more stunning scenery, epic e-bike rides, and hidden gems along the way, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next part of this journey.